Hey there, got a chemistry exam coming up? Don't sweat it. Today, I'm going to help you ace those chemical bonding questions with some quick and easy multiple choice questions. Grab a pen and paper and let's dive right in. Alright, first question. Which type of bond is formed by the sharing of electrons between atoms? A. Ionic bond. B. Covalent bond. C. Metallic bond. D. Hydrogen bond. Got your answer? It's B. Covalent bond. Covalent bonds happen when atoms share electrons, creating a strong connection. Next up, in which of these compounds would you find an ionic bond? A. H2O. B. NaCl. C. CH4. D. NH3. Time's up. The answer is B. NaCl, also known as table salt. Ionic bonds form when one atom donates electrons to another, creating ions. Third question coming your way. Which of the following has a metallic bond? A. Copper. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Sodium chloride. D. Methane. Think it over. The correct answer is A. Copper. Metallic bonds are found in metals where electrons flow freely between atoms. Here's a tricky one. Which molecule has a double bond? A. H2. B. O2. C. N2. D. Cl2. If you picked B. O2, you're right. Oxygen molecules have a double bond, meaning they share two pairs of electrons. Last question. What type of bond is present in ammonia, NH3? A. Ionic. B. Covalent. C. Metallic. D. Hydrogen. And the answer is B. Covalent. In ammonia, nitrogen and hydrogen share electrons to form covalent bonds. How did you do? Whether you got them all right or stumbled a bit, just remember, practice makes perfect. Keep revising, and soon enough, you'll be a chemical bonding master. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more exam tips and tricks. Good luck. Additional questions. Bonus question. Which type of bond is responsible for the properties of water? A. Ionic bond. B. Covalent bond. C. Metallic bond. D. Hydrogen bond. Got it? It's D. Hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bonds are weak bonds that occur between the hydrogen atom of one molecule and an electronegative atom of another. Next question. What type of bond is found in carbon dioxide, CO2? A. Ionic bond. B. Covalent bond. C. Metallic bond. D. Hydrogen bond. Time's up. The answer is B. Covalent bond. In CO2, carbon forms double covalent bonds with two oxygen atoms. Last bonus question. Which of the following involves electron transfer? A. Covalent bond. B. Ionic bond. C. Metallic bond. D. Hydrogen bond. Think it over. The correct answer is B. Ionic bond. Ionic bonds involve the transfer of electrons from one atom to another, resulting in the formation of ions. Final wrap-up. How did you do? Whether you got them all right or stumbled a bit, just remember, practice makes perfect. Keep revising and soon enough, you'll be a chemical bonding master. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more exam tips and tricks. Good luck.